In this lesson, I'm going to focus on straight line graphs, which are also called linear graphs. The basic equation for a straight line graph is as follows: y equals mx plus c. So what does y equals mx plus c stand for? Well, each letter has a meaning. So the y and the x are both coordinates. The m is the gradient, which tells us how steep the line is, and the c is the y-intercept. So this tells us exactly where the line cuts on the y-axis. So let's say, for example, here's a graph. There's your y-axis, there's your x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Let's say, for example, the line went like this. So as you can see here, it cuts through the number 1, which is right there. So our C would be 1 in this case. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to work with the equation in order for you to plot the graph, in order to find the gradient, in order to find the C, which is the y-intercept, and in order to find your coordinates as well. So keep watching the next few videos and I'll talk you through all of the steps that you need in order for you to work out the questions linked to this topic.